Hi, Sam again with Heartland Turf and Landscape, and I want to talk to you a little bit about our spring cleanup service. So spring's right around the corner, and we have got a service that's designed to get your lawn and landscape ready for spring. So with our spring cleanup service, we'll come out and we'll clean up all the leaves and other debris that has accumulated on your property over the winter, such as the leaves that have blown and got stuck under bushes, and leaves that have blown into piles around their fences and around the foundation of your house. We'll get all that stuff cleaned up and hauled off. While we're there, we'll also cut back any ornamental grasses that you have from last season. And we'll also cut back clean up your annuals, such as lilies, liriope, hostas, all those annual plants that may have left some dead plant material from the last season's growth. We'll get that stuff cleaned up so those plants can be beautiful this spring. And we'll also trim back your rose bushes so that they can have a beautiful bloom this spring. Now, I want to be clear that this is not to be confused with our spring shrub trimming service. Now, if you have your larger ornamental shrubs and bushes that are in need of trimming, we have a spring shrub trimming service for that as well, which is usually scheduled a little later in the spring. So let us know if we can help with that. Otherwise, if we can help you with a spring cleanup, let us know. We'd be happy to help.